This is Big Brother Cameron reading a book to baby brother Declan. What book is it, Cameron?
Clifford Kitten.
Clifford's Kitten?
Clifford Kitten.
Okay, read the first page. Where's the beginning?
I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog Clifford. He's the dog, the only pet I ever had. My mom had said we could keep him. It's a kitten. We found he only.
What does that page say? What does the other side say?
He was so small. And Mom said he could sleep in my bedroom. He slept.
You're doing such a good job.
I think Clifford was a real Jose.
Jose. What letters are in that word?
J-E-A. Then. But that was in the rest.
Oh, what's the rest? J-E-A.
J-A-L-O-U-S.
That says jealous.
He was jealous.
He is
jealous.
Okay, you come here. Come sit by me. Get your book. Oh, Declan. Are you listening to Big Brother read you a book?
The night Clifford slept. But he was sleeping and knocked down clothes.
What does it say?
That night.
Uh-oh.